What's up everyone, it's Chris. I've got a brand new product, just came out this month, the brand new Sony XG500 Boombox. This thing, I've seen it in stores, it is a powerhouse, and I went ahead and picked one up today at Best Buy. I don't know where you are, but most of the stores around have the JBL Boombox, the Ultimate Ears, Hyper Boom, and then of course this brand new one, the Sony XG500. They're all very similar size and sounding. They're pretty much sold out all across the country. JBL's been sold out for weeks in some areas. And this one, there was the last two on the shelf. So I picked this one up today from Best Buy, but I thought we'd do a little unboxing video just so you could see what's inside. And then another thing is to see the size comparison to this water bottle here, my buddy Dasani, so you can get an idea of just how large this boombox is. So right here we have the, I'm guessing the power supply. And you can see right there, it's a beast. Pretty large speaker. Kind of reminds you of the boombox of the 90s. And very well packaged. Okay, and this mesh material here actually gives it a water-resistant IP66 rating and completely dust-proof rating as well. So a very cool feature on it. Now the JBL Boombox, of course, does have the fully IP67 waterproof specs, but from what I've been looking at, this is not too far off. One of the reasons I chose the XG500 over the JBL and the Hyper Boom, I really wanted something that kind of had a more rugged design to it that could go outdoors. Plans on bringing this thing to the beach and, you know, poolside. So the Hyper Boom was kind of out of the picture. I didn't really want to, that's more of an indoor looking speaker in my opinion. It does sound great. And then the JBL, I was really on the fence about the both of these. But one of the features that really caught my eye on this was the ability to connect a 1/4-inch jack for microphone or for guitar. So you can use it as a small amplifier, small speaker. And then also the fact that it has EQ. The JBL unfortunately does not have built-in EQ, so you can't really make a lot of adjustments to the sound on it. So you can flip it around here. It's got, of course, the Mega Bass on the front here. That's classic Sony move since the Walkman of the 90s and the boomboxes even before that. And then it does have party mode where you can connect up to 3 different devices because this is running Bluetooth 5.0 on the speaker. Also, that is cool feature because that increases, if you have both devices on Bluetooth 5.0 or higher, it increases the distance from your typical 30 feet up to about 98 feet away from the speaker, which is really cool. Of course, it has the passive radiators on both sides. Once again, just to give you an idea, size, it's your typical 17-ounce water bottle right there next to the speaker.